Hello and welcome to part 3 of Audacity on how to save your sound files. So what I want you to do is to come over to the file menu here, like I've clicked it there. Come down to Save Project and then select Save Project As. And you'll get a little warning window which I want you to click OK on. And this window now appears asking you where you want to save your project. So on the drop down, I want you to select there where you see it, OneDrive Rossett School. If you have an ICT folder, select that. And this time you're typing in the name of it, which is Restaurant Adverts, okay, just like I have here, okay. So I'm going to type that in. And you can see it's an AUP, a project file. So when you click Save, the great thing about this is you can save these tracks and open the file again if you want to next lesson because you haven't actually quite finished or at a later time. So I'll prove that if I go to File Close and then back to File Open and I find my, there you go, my OneDrive, my ICT folder, there it is, Restaurant Advert. If I click on that and open it, my tracks are still there and I can still edit and make changes. Now, if I've finished my advert completely and I want to save it so I can play it on another device or in another program, I do something different. I go to File and this time Export, and export as MP3. So you might have heard of MP3. They're compressed sound files that take up less storage space. I'm going to select that, and again I'm going to choose my OneDrive, the ICT folder, and again I'm going to call this one Restaurant Adverts, just like that, and it's saving it as an MP3 file. So if I click Save and then OK, I get this window. I can put stuff in there, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to click OK. And now when I close my program, so I've closed that file down, I can go and find my Restaurant Adverts, which is just here. And when I double click on this, you can see that it will open up in another program, in this case Windows Media Player. But that's a really good way of making your file available for other devices and programs. And that is what I would like you to do right now. Thank you.